how to add spectral gate to vocals or keys in Logic Pro X for that airy sound. Go down to our effects, filter, spectral gate, and we'll go through some of these presets while the track is soloed so you guys can hear what it's doing.
I said, this is your frequency therapy. And a positive vibe, polarity, and I'm making fans out of my enemies. And clarity. I can't believe I fell for these parodies. Now the fear opponent even scaring me. You will sincerity.
Okay, only a few of these will work well on vocals, and when you do use them, again, less is more. However, they work amazing on instruments. When you want that sound to be there, but not really, but it's somewhere back there in the background, this is a good way to achieve that sound. So again, I'm going to move this from here to my guitar. Okay, not all of them are airy. Some of them are just choppy. Some of them are just gating certain things. However, the spectral gate can do a lot. You can muffle this more with the EQ, get a nice little warm sound out of it by adding a little bit more of a reverb. And there you have it. That's how to get the most out of your spectral gate for vocals or keys in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.